So with the Urban Go, you get a 500 watt peak motor, 14-inch tires, and a really compact size. The bike weighs just 40 pounds, and the seat is surprisingly comfortable for a small, lightweight bike. The controls are all right at your fingertips. You can long press the M button to power up the unit, plus or minus to scroll through the different assist levels, or long press the plus button to turn on the headlight. And there's an LED tail light that comes on when you activate the rear disc brake. The grips are really comfortable and they give you a nice flat spot to rest your hand on. On this side you have a mechanical rear disc brake, a bell, and that all-important throttle lever. So you can use the pedal assist, or anytime you can add a little extra assist with the throttle. And the maximum speed on this model with assist is about 20 miles an hour. And I really like that it comes outfitted with street tires, very appropriate for this style of bike. So if being lightweight, portable, and very compact are the important things for your e-bike, consider this Urban Go 14-inch model.